Hello, hi everybody, another quarantine cooking episode ready for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful risotto alla crema di scampi, or if you want to say it in English, it's risotto with Atlantic prawns. So for this recipe you will need 2 spoons of concentrated tomato paste, some cream, 1 carrot, 1 leek, some fresh parsley. This is a recipe for 3 people, so I have 12 whole Atlantic prawns and 320 grams of riso arborio Italian, and olive oil and some white wine. So the first thing to do is make our stock. So put some couple of spoons of olive oil and your leek and carrot here and your tomato paste in slow heat. Now we need to take 3 prawns, keep them just for the presentation later, put them on the side and clean the rest. So what you do is just bend, take the head off and do this job, and take all the prawn, the meat outside, comes off. They're fresh, so it comes off kind of easy. Squish the bottom, don't discard, try to get rid of the intestines. This should be still here. This one we're gonna put in the pot because we're making the stock. We call it fumetto in Italian, and this is given lots of flavor. So I clean my prawns, and now just stir it and cook it a little bit. We add some wine, and this we will need after when we cook the rice to give the intense flavor and color. So now that the wine is evaporated, I add some warm water, need to be hot, and some salt. Another pot, we put again a couple of spoons of oil, extra virgin olive oil. You can use butter if you wish, but I'm using olive oil. Also, we'll let it cook. So now I'm gonna put whatever I cooked with leeks and prawns in a container, and I add around 1 spoon of cream per person, and with the help of this mixer I blend it. Now using the same pot, put again the oil and add your rice and toast it a little bit. So I finished toasting my rice and I start to add the ingredients. I will put the cream now and the bisque, how you want to call it, the stock, fish stock. So you have to keep adding the bisque when it reduces and stirring for around 20 minutes. So around 20 minutes are gone. It's ready. Now I just add my parsley and I put it on the plate. Just put it center of the plate. Put Atlantic prawns. top. And there we go. Enjoy.